morning, guys. Welcome back to another week in the life with your content Esther with a H. Sorry, but it's a bit of a tongue twister. Do you get it? How are you guys doing? Are you guys okay? You guys well? Today is Monday and it's I don't know what the time is, but it's mad early, and I woke up mad early because I'm feeling productive. Hang on. Sorry, but this was the wrong way. It was really bugging me. There we go. Yeah, I woke up mad early because I feel mad productive. What am I gonna do today? For the past week I've been saying I need to do my hair, I just make my wig, I need to make my wig, I need to do my hair, 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 I need to do my hair. So today I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna make my wig, do some laundry, get my lashes done, and look absolutely beautiful.
Was the first woman in decades she's had a meaningful relationship. It's what his enemies have always held against him.
What?
But the fact he never married. People find it hard to trust a leader without a wife and family.
So I didn't want to disturb.
Hello. I'm not gonna share this. This is not. Okay, oh, let me do it this way.
I said, do you think I'm joking?
Okay, I don't know about you lot, yeah, but when I use, what am I using? Gear Sponge. I don't have time to wait for it to go clear, sorry. When it comes to hair, I'm a little bit impatient. I don't have time. Bam, let's do this one though. Don't worry, we're gonna make it melt in a sec. So we're gonna do. Don't watch that. Oh yeah. This is gonna be glued on for a time. I should have chopped on one more layer. You know, don't watch that, don't watch that. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this. You see how you can see the lace-ish door? I'm gonna fix it. Sugar, what's going on here? Oh, man said that. Man said, oh, sugar. The lace was curved in. Is the worst part. am I gonna fix this? Okay. Okay. This is all glued on. And now I have the great privilege of cutting this flap off. Oops, sorry. And cut it off. Bingo. Don't worry, we finna sort this out. And one quick way of sorting out is just putting some powder on it. Alright, cool. Let's comb this back. Let's take this off. I feel like I'm doing a great job at this. I'm not a hairstylist or whatever, I am an experimenter. I'm gonna come close so you can see what I did. I don't think this part is straight though. Let me, okay. I don't think this part is straight. But guess what? I don't give a heck. But I just wanted to show you guys the curl pattern. No, get deep wave. Get deep wave. And to be fair as well, I put bare mousse and oil and stuff, so nah. There we go. I need some edges. And I need to fix this side as well, because it looks horrid. It's time for the big reveal. I've waited and all that malarkey. Now it's time for the big reveal. Let's see how it looks. Bam! 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 I'm so gassed because finally I've done my hair. Go, go, go. Bam. Do you know what I mean? I look gorgeous. Wow. So I'm gonna, basically for Christmas, I bought myself this thing from Morphe. It's basically a lip gloss, lipstick, and a lip pencil. Oh wait, yeah, so this is the trendsetter. Nice and blunt, just how I like it. And then we have the lipstick. Nice packaging, I can't even lie. Whoa, nice. That's the colour. Now you see the thing is, I don't like wearing lipstick, so let's just see how it goes in it. And then we have the lip gloss. And this is in the colour Chill. So let's see how this goes. Oh, this lip liner. This lip liner is leng. Oh wow. I don't like lipstick. There's nothing more that I don't like in this type of lipstick, but let's see now. Wow! This is nice. It smells nice too. I'm impressed. This is nice. Oh wow, good on you, Morphe. I'll be back. When you wake up, does your front all look like this? No, it doesn't.
That's the first thing you have to say to them.
Yeah. When you wake up, does your front end look like this? No, it doesn't.
Oh my god, Esther, that is so rude. What the hell?
I'm gonna do my hair. Your front end doesn't look like this though. Let's not lie. Let's be real now. Alright, cool. Let me do my hair. Ow!
Guys, we are gonna get bad behavior.
No, we don't. Alright, cool. Let me do my edges now.
What?
Oh no, it's fine. I thought it was 1 o'clock. I was gonna say,
Wait,
wow!
guys, let me. Oh, can I tell them the story about Joe Malone?
Yeah, go on.
Alright, cool, guys. For like 3 years, let's say 3-4 years.
Basically.
Yeah, let's say 4 years actually, because I think it was from when you was at TOS.
I was up to 2017.
17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to 21, so
Basically for
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years, yeah. There was one time Esther was at work, and then during her break time, like she'll go because she work in a very big. I'm not gonna say the shopping centre, but she worked at a very big shopping centre.
I used to work for Westfield Dwight City because it's not there anymore. So.
Oh, okay, cool. I thought it was still there, and so I thought him not saying it. But yeah, she used to work at Westfield in White City, so most of her break time is like going to shops or whatever, cool. One time Esther went into one shop she was buying, mom sent her to buy her perfume. So she was going to buy mom's perfume. She stumbled on Joan Malone. She smelled it. When I tell you guys, since that day, we don't breathe. We don't drink water. Because Esther wants Joan Malone. We don't breathe, we don't drink water because Esther wants Joan Malone. For 3 years straight, Esther has been crying Joan Malone. And she's been crying for a perfume that she thinks is like a little £50. Joan Malone is not £50, you get what I mean? Like, if you guys know about perfume, you know Joan Malone. When I first
discovered it, yeah, 100 mils was, I think, £84. That's how you know I've wanted it for that long, that they've increased the price.
So now,
by like 15%.
Joan Malone is not £84 anymore. It's like when it's her birthday, we're thinking, oh, you know what? She really wants that in there. Let's go check the price. We're thinking,
I remember for my last birthday, yeah, Devs and Jace wanted to get it from me, innit? They looked at the price and said, see ya! I know like today's been a bit choppy and all over the place, but I've been all over the place. So right now I'm literally just rearranging my room so that I can record a video for you guys to watch and be entertained. And obviously what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my mirror. And my chest of drawers to where I'm standing right now, so I can have the white background, and I'm gonna film there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put you guys down and you guys are just gonna watch me do all of that malarkey. No, let's not come on. Lit. Okay. Energy that to make excitement, you want to make allowed to be entertained. Okay, folks. Okay. Hey there. No, I'm waiting for you guys to be done.
Oh, okay, Esther.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You see the chicken seasoning, yeah?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from?
Tesco, the shop, anywhere.
Oh no, like no, not chicken seasoning, but like all chicken seasoning.
You can get it from anywhere.
Oh really? Is it downstairs?
Yeah.
You can get that from Tesco?
Yeah, or the corner shop. That's what he wanted to ask me. Tell me I can record now. I would have asked. Let me lock the door. Yeah, my people. I'm back. And it is... Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh. I went to sleep at 2. And I woke up at 8. Who sent me? It's been on to the second to last or the last. 2 minutes left of the year. And aren't we blessed to be here today? Do you know what I mean? It's only by God's grace that we're here. Let's not try and, you know, let's not try and lie now. Do you know what I mean? Let's not try and say, hey, we're gonna make it. No, you could have died this year. God forbid, but you could have died. I could have died. We could have died. All of us. Corona could have came and swept the whole world. Do you know what I mean? Just like when God came and in Noah's time, he just came and fume. Sodom and Gomorrah, fume. If he wanted to do that, he could have. Do you know what I mean? But he said, you know what, I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a bad guy, so I'm not going to do that. Do you get me? Yeah. I'm just going to just obviously go back and look at all the pictures that I took yesterday with fresh eyes. And obviously because it's not bright outside, it's better to look at it. So just going to go back, pick the best ones, and then I need to review footage to send off to my chief editor. Send off to my chief editor, and then that's about it. And then later on in the day, I'm gonna get ready and go to church, and yeah, that's it. That is it. That's it. Guys, look at that.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, Steph the chef. That looks so nice.
That's got bar.
Nice. No, sorry. This fish my mom made nice. Let me try again.
Wow.
Oh. It's so nice because it's spicy. It's so spicy and you can taste all the flavors and everything is just mwah. It's banging. Wow. No, say it. You said it before with one breath. Say it again.
I don't have chest.
This girl just said, I just coughed and she said, I hope you choke.